We want change. How much matters? Enough is enough. We want change. How much matters? Enough is enough. We want change.
We all know how much physical, mental, and emotional damage guns can do to us as a whole.
Gun violence happens so frequently now in our community that it becomes regular. Nobody cares, but like nobody blinks an eye to it anymore. We hear about somebody being shot and we're sad for like a week, but we know that it's going to happen again and again and again, so we just get used to it.
Made me feel like I could be next.
Most of us here know someone who has got shot, and then they just act like it's nothing, but it's something. It's a big deal, because it leads to us being as a bad community. There's no one just standing up and just doing anything.
We want change. How much matters? We want change.
The young people, we don't want to stand it anymore. We don't want to have to live with it. We don't want to have to grow up in it. We don't want parents to have to worry about sending their children to school. We want them to know that we are mature. We are hearing these problems and seeing them daily. And we are going to become a voice.
People are killed every day, whether it's because of gangs, drive-bys, or playing with guns. It all needs to stop.
Students, the next generation, the next leaders, the next business owners, the next entrepreneurs.
A lot of the times the youth isn't heard, but I think today marks a change, especially in my school. Because like I said, they are now advocates and activists and leaders, and I think they will take that with them the rest of their lives.